Today we're looking at a fully automated aerospace passivation system. It's comprised of 5 distinct pieces. The first and largest is the processing tank. This will hold the parts throughout the entire process. After that, there are 4 separate chemical storage tanks, one for the wash solution, 2 separate rinses, and finally an acid tank for the passivation solution. This system is designed to move those various liquid chemistries in and out of the processing tank instead of moving parts in and out of a series of chemical storage tanks. This means that all processes happen underneath a closed lid, keeping your operators well away from any exposure to the various chemistries used. During a typical cycle, the parts are loaded into the processing unit and the lid closes. In this case, we've included a powered lid. The process will then bring the alkaline wash solution into the tank and energize the ultrasonics that are there to scrub any lubricants, grit, or other soils from the parts. That wash solution is then pumped back into the first storage tank. We've included spray headers into the lid of the unit. These are plumbed separately into the facility deionized water supply. Once the tank is clear of all the wash solution, a short spray of fresh DI water will spray down the parts and the inside walls of the processing tank and be flushed to a separate drain for recycling. Next, we'll bring deionized water from rinse tank 1 into the processing tank, re-engage the ultrasonics, and scrub any remaining detergent residue from the parts. The rinse water is then transferred back to rinse tank number 1. Next, the passivation acid will be brought in from tank number 4. The sonics re-engaged and the passivation cycle will take place. Once the acid is pumped back to its storage tank, the system will again use the spray headers to provide a short spray rinse of the parts and the inside of the processing tank, again draining through a separate drain for recycling or disposal. Once this is completed, the parts will be subjected to 2 rinse cycles, one from rinse tank number 1 and then from rinse tank number 2. And after all the solutions are pumped back into the respective storage tank, fans and heaters in the lid of the unit begin a heated air drying cycle to speed the drying process for the parts. Once completed, the stack light on the unit will return to green, signaling the operators that the process is complete.